Solar Centrifugal Pump. Unboxing Introduction. Complete set includes 1. Accessory bag. 2. Solar controller. 3. Solar pump. Solar centrifugal pump. Controller specifications. Solar centrifugal pump. Accessory bag. Accessories. Solar pump wiring. Accessories. Solar pump installation. Accessories. Solar controller installation. Practical operation guide. Solar pump installation. Step 1. Wrap the threads of the PVC connector with thread sealing tape and install an O-ring. Install PVC connectors at the inlet and outlet of the pump respectively. Step 2. Put the water pipe into the PVC connector and fix them firmly with stainless steel 304 hose clamps. The water pipe at the inlet needs to be connected to a bottom valve to prevent water from flowing back. Step 3. Unscrew the water injection screw at the pump body. Inject water into the pump body from the injection port until the pump body is filled with water. Tighten the water injection screw. Practical operation guide. Solar controller wiring. Step 1. Unscrew the controller cable connector nut and take out the rubber plug. Step 2. The brown, blue, and black wires of the pump cable correspond to the UVW printed on the circuit board. The grounding wire needs to be connected to the grounding pile. Step 3. Connect the two wires of the stainless steel 304 tank float to the TH and CAM terminals respectively. Step 4. Connect solar panels. Connect the positive pole of the solar panel to the DC positive terminal of the controller. Connect the negative pole of the solar panel to the DC negative terminal of the controller. Be careful not to reverse the positive and negative poles, otherwise, it will cause irreversible damage. Step 5. Connect AC power. Connect the neutral and live wires of the power supply to the N and L terminals of the controller respectively. Do not connect DC power to the L and N terminals, and do not connect AC power to the DC positive and DC negative terminals, as this may cause irreversible damage. After the cable is connected, tighten the controller cable connector nut to secure the cable.